Hey guys, this is how you make creme brulee.
First, you're gonna need some ice cream, 6 egg yolks, and white granulated sugar. You're going to take that ice cream and melt that down for about 30 seconds to a minute. You're taking 2 cups of melted ice cream. And then you're going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites, making sure to save the egg whites for a different recipe. Following that, we're just going to whisk that all together, taking our melted ice cream and slowly incorporating that in. We want to make sure that that melted ice cream is chilled so that we don't cook the eggs. So chill the melted ice cream for about 5 minutes and just slowly incorporating the ice cream with the egg yolks. You want to just whisk and mix, and then adding it all in slowly. Once that's all complete, you want to transfer it to a serving bowl so that we can properly pour it into our ramekins almost to the brim. As you can see here, I'm just leaving enough room for the sugars on top. For the hot water bath, we just want to make sure to cover the ramekins 3/4 of the way up with hot water. So you want to pour it in and make sure that the ramekin is covered 3/4 of the way. This is important to cook the custard evenly throughout, baking them for 300 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the ramekin. 30 minutes later, this is what they look like. Carefully taking them out of the oven, making sure not to spill hot water on you, and checking the temperature to 175 degrees. You can also do this inside the oven and chill for about 1 to 4 hours.
It's been about an hour. We've chilled this thing. Usually you want to wait about an hour to 4 hours. I just waited an hour to see if I can get this thing going. The texture looks like it's there. Maybe a teaspoon of sugar. It's got to be very thin, and you want to just spread that sugar around. Again, it's a very thin layer, and you want to just spread it around. So you just want to aim the fire just at the tip so that it slowly caramelizes.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just up close so that you can hear the crack. Oh, that's so satisfying. Just breaking apart the crispy, crumbly sugar bits. And let's taste the creme brulee. The texture difference from the crispy sugars and the custardy cream is so delicious. That's why this is such a go-to dessert for a lot of people, because the texture difference, the custard, it's so silky smooth and it's so delicious. Oh, I just love this, and it's so easy to make. It's a no-brainer when you're hosting people. I also made a shallower creme brulee. This is a sample creme brulee. I have more behind me, but I just wanted to get a quick burn and taste test, and it's delicious. And it's so easy. 3 ingredients, are you kidding me? Like, come on. 3 ingredients. There you have it, folks. Are easy to make creme brulee at home. Peace.